Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we'll see what is the usage of filter command that is present in Cypress. Okay, for that, what we are going to do is we are navigating to our website and click on admin tab. There you can see there is a nationalities tab. In that we are having all the nationalities that is available, so we'll check some of the nationalities and filter for some of the nationalities, and we can check the length here. Okay, whether we are going to filter those nationalities and it is present or not. Okay, so for that let's navigate to our code. Okay, I'm going to close all these things. So, and I'm going to create a file filter.cy.js and then describe filter usage, and then before each life cycle. Okay, and I'm going to copy this thing from my previous test cases, and then let's start writing our test case. So filter for nationalities. Okay, and then so what we need to do is, after landing on a web page, so we need to click on admin. So for that just copy this, and then instead of recruitment we're navigating to admin. So after navigating to admin, we are looking for nationalities. Okay, so let's do the same thing again here. Nationalities. Okay, once we click on nationalities, let's see how we can get the filter list. So for that I'm going to navigate to filter. So the test case started executing. So we have clicked on nationalities. After that, what we need to do is we need to look for any nationalities so that we can filter it. So to get this element, we can use the help of Cypress test runner, and to select this text, we can use this. Okay, here from this we can copy, and then if you navigate to here, so as we have selected this 20th element, it got it, but we need to look for all the elements that is present in the space. So after that, what I am going to do is I am going to filter it, use the filter method. So in the filter method, what you can do is you can pass some JavaScript method like contains. Here I am going to look for some text. Okay, so if you see here, you can check for some Austrian. Okay, so let's see whether we will get this or not. AUSTRIAN, Austrian. And once we get that, so there will be only one nationality with Austrian, right? So what we need to do is we need to verify that length. It should have a length of, once we filter it, it should have a length of 1 out of all those nationalities. Okay, so let's save the test and we'll see whether the test will pass or not. See, with the name of Austrian, so there is only one element is present. Say suppose if you wanted to test something like should contain AUS, something like that. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, see the test case got failed here because when we search for filter here with AUS, we got two elements. Because if you see here with AUS, starting with AUS, there is Australian and Austrian. There are two elements are there with which are starting with AUS. So that's why test got failed here. If you see, we have given only one, but the elements we found are two. Okay. Yeah, another case is we need to this is loading only some of the nationalities. So uh, to get other nationalities, we need to navigate to the other pages here. Okay, so to go to other page, let's see what we can do is we can click on this link here, and let's see what is this link. This is Oxford page navigation, Oxford page navigation UL. This one you can take this, and then we can navigate to that element. Okay, so cy.get, as it is UL element, you can do UL dot, and then there are li elements. If you see there, these are all li elements, list elements, so you can look for li and then click on that link, and then click on it, get that link and click on it. And so here I am going to look for another country, that is Indian, and it should have a length of 1. Okay, I saved the test. See here, previously it got failed as we have given length as 1. Now we have changed it to 2. It passed, and after that we have navigated to the next page. See, if you see here, so we have clicked on that 2, and then we have looked it for we have filtered it for Indian here, so it got passed. So in this way you can use a filter, and you can check start with here. So here I am using only contains, but you can use the methods that are present in JavaScript also. Okay, in this way you can use the filter command that is present in Cypress. Thank you.